Hello everyone, I'm Jason Doctor and I'm here to discuss with you the media and information languages. In this topic, we will be defining what does it mean by genre, codes, and convention and the types of convention as well. So let's start. What is genre? It is a French word meaning type or class. Can be recognized by its common set of distinguishing features, that is, the codes and conventions. Yes, it is about type or class that gives us the different codes and convention in media and information languages. How about code? What is code? Our system of signs which create meaning. How about convention? Are generally accepted ways of doing something. These are ways of combining codes to create form and meaning with a media production. For example, the past or in Tagalog, it is ang nakaraan in the teleseries, headlines in newspapers. There are actually three types of codes. These are the technical, symbol, and written. Let's have first discuss the first type, which is technical. It is ways in which equipment is used to tell the story, camera techniques, framing, depth, fields, lighting, and etc. Aside from this class, we also had the slow motion style, lots of camera movements, different location, dynamic atmosphere, moving lights. Here are some technical codes which is often used. These are the different examples of technical codes. Just like what we are applying in a photography class, it shows the different shot angles. Extreme wide shots. This can be taken as much as a mile away and is generally used as a scene setting. Next, long shots. Shows the entire object and is usually intended to put the object or a person in a relation to the surroundings. Medium shot, a little bit closer to the subject compared to the long shot. It is used to display character, action, or objects acting on a character. Medium close up frames a subject head and cuts off around mid-chest. Close up keeps only the subject or person's face in full frame. Extreme close up shows us object and people differently than we see them. It calls attentions to the subjects. Next, the bird's eye view. This shot refers to a shot looking directly down on the subject. High angle. This is the same on the bird's eye views where the camera looks down on the subject from high angle. Next, the worm's eye view. A view as seen below. Another one is oblique or canted. Camera is often tilted to suggest imbalance, transition, and instability. Another one is the depth of the field. It is either shallow or deep. Depth of the field between the nearest and the furthest object that give an image judged to be in focus in a camera. Now, let's go to the second types of codes, which is symbolic. When we say symbolic, it is show what is beneath the surface of what we see. The objects, setting, body language, clothing, color, and etc. For example, objects. The Barbie doll is for girls. Body language, just like the actors and actresses, can simply determine their character on their actions. Another one is clothing. For example, is a clown. Color. Black signifies mourning and grievances or death. A red rose symbolizes or it suggests love and romance. What will happen if we see a smoke? It signifies that there is a fire. What will happen to movies if we don't use costumes? Can you determine that it's a clown even without makeup and costume? Scenery suggests a setting. Now, let's move on to the last type of code. It is about written. Written, it is use of language, style, and textual layout, headline, captions, speech, bubbles, language style, etc. As long as it has a text, it's called written. Written codes can be used to advance narrative, communicate information about a character or issues and themes in media product. That is an example of written. Can you imagine yourself watching Korean movie without subtitle? What about watching news without headline? Are you still motivated to watch? That ends my presentation. Hope you guys learned on the three types of codes and convention. We'll see you in my next video. God bless.